Exercise 2.4. First question is find 12 divided by 3 upon 4. Now this is equal to 12 multiplied by 4 upon 3. Please understand division is opposite of multiplication, so we have to multiply by reciprocal of the second fraction. So this is equal to 12 4s are 48 upon 3, or you can reduce this and decrease the number and then multiply. So this is reducible. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, answer is 4 4s are 16, denominator is 1, there is no need to write denominator 1. So this is equal to, next is 14 divided by 5 upon 6 multiplied by 6 upon 5. Please note, no number is reducible, so we will have to multiply directly. This is 14 6 are 84, 84 upon 5. Please note, now this number can be written in mixed fraction. 5 1s are 5, 3 remain, 34, 5 6 are 30, 34 the remainder upon 5. So it can be written 16 integer 4 upon 5. Next is 8 multiplied by 7. It was 8 divided by 7 upon 3, so it will be 8 multiplied by 3 upon 7. This is equal to 8 3s are 24. 24 upon 7 can be written in mixed fraction. 7 3s are 21. Remainder is 3 upon 7. Next is 4 divided by 8 upon 3. This is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 upon 8. Please note, this is reducible. So we can reduce 4 1s are 4 2s are. Answer is 3 upon 2. This also can be written in mixed fraction as 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, denominator is 2. Next question is 3 divided by 2 integer 1 upon 3. 2 integer 1 upon 3. We cannot do the multiplication because the second fraction is in the form of mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. So this is equal to 3 divided by 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. So we have to write in multiplication, so this will be 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7. No number is reducible. This is equal to 9 upon 7, can be written in mixed fraction as 2 integer, 7 1s are 7, 2 is the remainder upon 7. Next is 5 divided by 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25 upon 7. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 upon 25. Please note, this is reducible. Answer is 7 upon 5, can be written in mixed fractions form. This is equal to 5 1s are 5, 2 is the remainder, 5 is the denominator. Second question is find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. So first we have to find the reciprocals of each of the fraction and then classify reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction or a whole number. Let us see. First is 3 upon 7. So reciprocal is 7 upon 3, and please note here numerator is bigger, so this is an improper fraction. Please note, some students are having a habit of writing reciprocals like this, 8 upon 5. This is a wrong method because 5 upon 8 is not equal to 8 upon 5. You cannot write is equal to here. So here make a comma and then write reciprocal is equal to 8 upon 5. Numerator is bigger, so this is improper fraction. Next is reciprocal is 7 upon 9. Numerator is smaller, so this is proper fraction. Next question. Reciprocal of 9 upon 7 is 7 upon 9. Please note, numerator is smaller than denominator, so this becomes a proper fraction. Next is 6 upon 5. We have to write numerator at the denominator, denominator at the numerator. So reciprocal becomes 5 upon 6, and since numerator is smaller, it is a proper fraction. Next is 12 upon 7. Reciprocal is 7 upon 12. Numerator is smaller, so this is also a proper fraction. Next is 1 upon 8. Reciprocal is 8 upon 1. If denominator is 1, there is no need to write. So it becomes 8 and it is a whole number. Next is 1 upon 11. Reciprocal will be 11 upon 1. There is no need to write. It means it is 11. So whole 11 is a whole number.